Why morning hydration matters.
Drinking water as soon as you wake up is a simple habit with powerful effects. After hours of sleep, your body is mildly dehydrated. Starting your day with water helps jumpstart bodily functions, including metabolism and circulation. Making hydration a mindful choice in your morning routine can set a positive tone for the rest of your day.
Boosting brain function and focus.
Your brain is highly sensitive to hydration levels. Even mild dehydration can impair mood, memory, and cognitive abilities. Drinking water in the morning replenishes lost fluids from overnight, helping sharpen focus and mental clarity. By fueling your mind, you're better equipped to tackle tasks and make well-informed decisions throughout your day.
Supporting physical energy and mood.
Hydration is closely linked to how energetic and balanced you feel. When your body's properly hydrated, circulation improves and nutrients are delivered efficiently. This can reduce feelings of fatigue and lift your mood. Sipping water mindfully in the morning is a simple way to boost both body and mind before you get busy.
How to make it a mindful habit.
Turning morning hydration into a mindful practice is easy. As you drink your water, focus on the sensation and appreciate the moment. Try setting a glass by your bed as a gentle reminder. Take a few deep breaths before or after drinking to ground yourself and start the day feeling present and refreshed.
Enhancing daily productivity.
Starting your day mindful and hydrated sets a productive tone. You'll experience better concentration, stable energy, and improved resilience to stress. Consistently prioritizing water first thing in the morning is a small step that leads to noticeable improvements in your overall productivity and well-being.